Hello, this one is your Excel file where you have pasted the data. This one is the old file. Okay, whenever you paste some data in your Excel file, after that what you have to do is you have to select all those cells where you have pasted the data, and then on the keyboard press Ctrl+1, and when you press the Ctrl+1 you will get this type of format. There are many various formats. You will have to select this one, where the first one is the hour, the second one is the minute, and the third one is the seconds, not this one. I will select this one, and then you will have to click on the OK. Now the time format has changed. After that, save your Excel file. Remember that you need to save your file so that the new modified version may be saved in your directory, and when you want to save your data you will get this type of alert. Click on the yes, and after that this one is your file, modified file, and now I want to run the code. It will not give me any type of error. Now you can see this variable has been loaded in a normal way. So the code is not giving me any error. Everything is fine now. Thank you so much.